Namaskar friends. So we are here for Hogenakkal Falls trip, and we are somewhere in the middle of the forest, in between, somewhere in some 26 kilometers away from Hogenakkal Falls. And you can see the U curve here. Just rotate the camera over here and show the U curve. So both the road, if you show. So as you can see the U curve. Okay. So here is my Dominar, and you can see I'm fully equipped to ride in this U curvy roads. So the gears what I have is two riding gloves. You can see riding gloves has all kinds of safety pads which will save if I fall down sometimes while doing cornering. And I can tell you that this is the best place to do cornering. Come front, the track is. So just focus on my bike. This bike really performs well. So I'm going to give a detailed discussion. So I'm going to give a detailed discussion about this bike. As soon as I go back home, I'll edit a video for you guys. So just watch it out, like how it performed and everything. And we have taken few snaps of this bike while doing cornering in between the forest. Okay, so because of the 40 Newton meter torque, it really performed well. So this is one of the viewpoints. So as you can see here, so here I'll sit, and yeah, so this is a view. Okay, and it's a really nice viewpoint. You guys always come here and take few photographs here, which is important. So I was talking about the riding gears. So what I have is here Rhinox Air GT3, and I have inside liner, okay, the rail liner, but I removed the thermal liner because it's too hot here in Tamil Nadu. So this jacket has different safety pads again. So you can see here one safety pad is here. So if I fall down by putting my knee, nothing is going to happen. Here is one more safety guard, and the back there is another safety guard. So and even in leg also you can see there is one safety guard here, there is one safety guard here. So this is also a safety riding pant. So and shoe, yeah, I didn't take any riding shoes, but this is well enough to have a riding shoe in a cheaper cost. Yeah, I'm just going to give you the cost also of those things. So this particular shoe, you can see this length is too much, so even if you fall down, that ankle will not get broken. So that's why it's always important to take a riding shoe which ankle length is more, so then it will really save your leg. Okay. Yeah, so next, coming to the helmet here. This is a Vega helmet. I just took a helmet which is a matching color of this with the Dominar, so it will feel good with this. So this is around 1,600 rupees from JC Road, so which will be always cheap. So now coming back to the point of my partner who is riding here, you can see her riding gear also. So normally always we find difficulty while putting the give me the camera, while putting the stand here. So here she is. So with full riding gear again, you can remove. So her name is Srija. Say hi. Okay, so just state, and yeah, so this is her riding gear. So top she has or a company named Mototech, you can see, and this is mainly for the for ladies, so which will give the proper fittings based on the ladies figure. And she is also wearing a similar Rhinox Air GT, Rhinox riding gear, which is the same cost, around 6,700. So this ladies yeah, so this ladies riding gear will cost you around 6,400 or 500 rupees. I'm not sure. I will give in a detailed description. So yeah, she is also having a open face, not open face, like multi one helmet of Vega, which is again some 1,300 rupees. So that's the setup what we have, and this is the background what you can see. Okay.